Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel, and today I'm going to write a text-to-speech program and I will show you how to do that. So at first we have to open CMD and we will have to download the gTTS package. So pip install gTTS, and after it's all installed we are starting VS Code. So after we have opened the VS Code, we are going to make a main.py, and I'm starting with the code. So at first we have to import what we have downloaded, so not import but from gTTS import gTTS, right? And then we will have to declare the language. So language equals to, we will now declare it to English, but if you want to have it on Spain you can make it ES, or German you can make it DE. So we are going with English, and the text that is going to be outputted will be put either in double quotes, and we will write here text, for example hello, hello. Or if you want to have multi-line text, you can do triple quotes, but if you don't need all that, you can just do double quotes. You can just do double quotes and say something like, for example, subscribe to my channel. So in order to make the audio, we are now going to use gTTS. So we make a new variable called speech, and we will use the gTTS here, and text will be equal to this text. The language will be equal to language that we have declared, and slow will be equal to false because it's automatically set to true, and that's why we are changing that. So to save the audio, we are going to write speech.save, and the name will be like the video.mp3. So when we run it, we use the Python debugger, yes. We run the code, and we have a new file here, and when we are playing it,
subscribe to my channel,
it works. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like and comment what topic my next video should be about. Otherwise, subscribe to me, it would really help out a lot for growing my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.